In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a birthday flow using Klaviyo. Creating a birthday flow allows you to automatically send personalized birthday messages or special offers to your customers on their special day, making them feel appreciated and valued. To get started, head over to the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the Flows section. This is your go-to place for creating automated workflows that nurture customer relationships. Now look for the button that says Create Flow and give it a click. In this step, you'll be laying the foundation for your birthday flow, setting up the roadmap for a seamless customer experience. After you've clicked on Create Flow, you'll see a search bar. Type in Happy Birthday and hit Enter. Klaviyo offers a range of pre-built flow templates, and by searching Happy Birthday, you find the perfect template designed specifically for celebrating your customers' birthdays. This is where the magic truly begins, so don't hesitate to leverage these resources. Once you've found the Happy Birthday template, click on it to select it. Selecting this template gives you a ready-made structure, saving you time and effort. Klaviyo's templates are thoughtfully designed to help you deliver effective and personalized messages without having to start from scratch. With the template now selected, you have the option to add tags and set the trigger for your birthday flow. Tags help in organizing your flows and making them easily identifiable. The trigger is crucial because it determines when this flow activates. Be sure to set this up correctly to ensure timely delivery of your birthday messages. Once you're done with tagging and setting the trigger, go ahead and click on Use Template. This officially integrates the template into your Flows library, making it ready for customization. At this point, you'll find yourself in the Flow Editor. Here, you can edit the actions and timing of your flow. This step is all about customization to best fit your brand's voice and the specific messages you want to relay. Adjust the intervals, add emails or messages, and set any additional conditions necessary to personalize the birthday greeting or offer. When everything is set up to your satisfaction, click Review and Turn On to make your flow live. This ensures that your birthday flow will go into effect and start reaching customers as intended. Finally, remember to click Save to keep all your adjustments and make sure nothing gets lost. Saving your work is an important step that often gets overlooked but is essential to retain all your hard work and attention to detail. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a birthday flow in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you're now equipped to engage and delight your customers on their birthdays, enhancing their experience with your brand and fostering lasting relationships.